This guitar.
How do we create peace in the Middle East without politics? How do we create peace?
Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is. Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is. Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is. Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is. Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is.
Good day to all. In a world that is rapidly modernizing, have we ever taken
Sabi mo na akong magpapastor.
Okay, sige.
Ano ang panawag?
GCash and Silliman University are committed to sustainability by planning.
How do we create peace in the Middle East without politics? Grid work, the most powerful form of planning.
Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is.